All right, so now we're going to summarize what we've learned about the chain of responsibility design pattern. So the chain of responsibility can be implemented as a bunch of references. So you can have essentially all the components pointing to the next component in the chain, or alternatively, you can have some sort of centralized construct. So you can have a single place where you have a list or a linked list or something to that effect. And that is where all the parts of the chain of responsibility can be kept, meaning all the processes, all the actual components which can handle a particular event. So what you do with the chain of responsibility is you enlist objects in the chain. So you essentially add them to the chain. And strictly speaking, you can control their order as well. So if one processor of certain events is more important than another, you can put it closer to the beginning of the chain so it gets a chance to process events before the other components in the system get a chance to do so. And finally, you can implement different ways of removing the objects from the chain. And one of those ways, for example, is to implement a dispose right inside the object that's being enlisted, whereas as soon as you dispose the object, it removes itself from the chain automatically. That's a very easy implementation to accomplish.